When you open a Google Slides presentation, by default, you're only going to be granted view-only access. What this means is that you can browse through the slides and you can present the presentation, but you won't be able to make any changes. To be able to make changes, what you'll want to do is make your own copy. To do so, come up to File, Make a Copy, and you can choose to do the entire presentation or selected slides. I'm going to choose the entire presentation, give it a new name, and then I'm going to choose the folder that I'd like to put it in. I'll go ahead and just put it into my personal drive here, and that'll take just one moment. So I'll add it to my drive and hit select. If you'd like, you can remove all of our speaker notes or copy those over. Let's go ahead and say OK. And I'll have a version of the document that I can customize for my class. So if we're not using the language lab, maybe I want to put the day of the class, for example, and I can change anything that I would like, and this is my own copy.